Ungqongqoshe wezamandla ukhomba ngenjumbano uhulumeni waseLesotho ngokwanda kwabantu abamba igolide ngokungemthetho kuleli. Uthi eLesotho bayishaya indiva nje indaba yabantu abamba igolide ngokungemthetho eNingizimu Afrika.
When we met the Minister of Lesotho in the mining indaba, we said let's have this thing on the table. We ran for cover. We have not had that discussion. He is not keen to have it.
Uhulumeni waseLesotho uyazichitha lezi nzolo.
Government of Lesotho really doesn't support illegal miners or illegal activities that are taking place in South Africa by Lesotho. The government is trying so much to retract from that.
Usihlalo wekomidi elibhekele ezamandla uthi womabili amazwe eNingizimu Afrika neLesotho kumele athweswe icala ngokwanda kwamazamazama.
Both South Africa and Lesotho must take full responsibility to make sure that they cut the umbilical cord in relation to the issue of illegal mining.
Uhulumeni wase-Free State uthi lo mkhuba ucekela phansi ingqalasizinda yesifundazwe.
There always is something that they do which destroys our public infrastructure.
Amaphoyisa athi ayaphenya kulandela ukutholakala kwezinye futhi izidumbu ezingu-8 zabantu abamba igolide ngokungemthetho eGoli.
The bodies which are at the stage of decomposition are suspected to be of illegal miners. The police have registered an inquest case for investigation to determine where the bodies were retrieved before they were dumped there.
Ungqongqoshe wezamandla uthi le mayini iVirginia ese-Free State selokhu yagcina ukusebenza ngo-1990. Amaphoyisa ayaziphenya zombili lezi gameko.